Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I want to share with you what that's the normally say shall never and see. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I will keep on telling you all the updates and bring everything to your notice. Now, a lot has been happening, and trust Progress the Analyst. Hey, now only here you go forget them. So, as everybody running up and down all these years, hey, when Mazina Dikanu was shouting, hey, I need men, people think a joke. Today, as I'm talking to you, the federal government of Nigeria said they never declared Chika Edoziem wanted anymore. You guys know that 2024, his name was among the list. They said these people not going to enter Nigeria again. They say these people, they are threat to the world. So they declared them wanted. Not only that, they put their pictures outside. And they talk them. I say, if this Biafra struggle don't tire you, my brother, my sister, step aside. So that we go to see road. We go to see the people when they're inside. It has happened. Chika Edoziem, he does step out from this Biafra struggle. It is obvious. Nobody will tell me, oh, Progress Analyst who told you. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor fight the fight. And he made people to understand that among everybody that was listed, only Chika Edoziem now stand come fight for his right to say only Chika Edoziem fought. I say no. You can't label me a terror. You can't label me a criminal, this and that. I'm not into this category. He have to go and challenge before the court of law in Nigeria. And what happened? Nigeria reverse it. Hey, oh, now know what to go follow. That means before they reverse this thing, Mazi Chika Edoziem finally agreed not to fight this Biafra struggle again. He not join on now. Some people will tell me, how do you know? Mazi Chika Edoziem is no longer fighting for Biafra. He don't leave on her behind. Yes, so he's no longer, there's not anybody we say is no longer interested in this Biafra struggle anymore. You know, they did again. You know what, last week, Ikenga said something, and some people will say, who is Ikenga? Who is Ikenga? What he's doing is not right. Ikenga is this. Ikenga among all of them. Ikenga is the only person that is getting the first-hand information. Ikenga is getting first-hand information. In fact, information na number one. Before Ikenga came out and said, I'm no longer a Biafran. I'm not fighting for Biafra anymore. I'm not this, I'm not that, I'm on my own. In fact, he referred to Mazina Dikanu like on a leader. He no longer say Mazina Dikanu is his leader. He clean himself come out. And people were like, but he did the right thing, because if something don't tire you, quit, so that people go know the people were really there. So we go know where we go, they put our eyes. Now, Ikenga told them last week, he said, you people have been deceived for a very long time. He said, nobody is fighting for this Biafra struggle. In fact, he even sent a message to Chika Edoziem and said, come and join us. Come, let us do this thing in another way. People were laughing. Now, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor wrote and said that the federal government of Nigeria will even compensate Chika Edoziem. That they have already reversed that declaration that he's wanted, is this, is that. See, now they can't do on your own. And I ask question, I say, if they listen to Chika Edoziem, what is really going on? Because Mazina Dikanu is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, and Chika Edoziem is the second in command, and Chika Edoziem is doing the same thing that Mazina Dikanu was doing. Abina be so. Does that mean that what Mazina Dikanu was doing then different entirely from what Chika Edoziem is doing and what he believed? Be so. Now, so the matter just they climb up. Now, as I'm talking to you, the federal government of Nigeria even compensates Chika Edoziem with this. This is first-hand information from Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. He said, the Lordship Honorable Justice delivered a landmark judgment in suits between Mazi Chika Edoziem versus Honorable Minister of Defense and Chief of Staff. and consequently declared as illegal the wrongful designation of Mazi Chika Edoziem as a wanted person, terror, incident, kidnap, and violent criminal by the Honorable. Now, I'm not pronouncing some things very well, because of community guidelines, so you understand. Now, he said, the ruling now take place March 22nd, 2024, publicly or publicizing his name and pictures in the Ministry of Defense First Edition Office, Onanona, that is 2024 when they published his name, and not say as a security threat, was done in violation of his constitutional guaranteed rights to dignity of human person, and as such unconstitutional, because they post his pictures, they paste his pictures everywhere that is in Chika Edoziem is a threat. Now, as soon as they pass now the Kanu, that they find people where follow Mazi now the Kanu, Chika Edoziem now follow Mazi now the Kanu them. Now, this is it. Immediately retreats the unconditional declaration of Mazi Chika Edoziem as a terror, a kidnap, you understand? He said even and to issue an unsaid public apology in 2 national newspapers to Chika Edoziem. That means the federal government of Nigeria go apologize, give Chika Edoziem publicly for saying Chika Edoziem na terror. The court awarded him 5 million naira. Yeah, 5 million. The court awarded him 5 million naira. In doubt, awarded him 50 million naira for the damage and other things. You see? So now the truth is, notable among the many names listed, among the many names listed in the said notice, Mazi Chika Edoziem was the only one who successfully challenged his legal publication of his name in the offensive public, that is the public, global, and the whatever. It says only Chika Edoziem. So now they have cleared Chika Edoziem that is no longer wanted. Chika Edoziem is not a terror. Chika Edoziem himself is not an IPOB member. Why I use this word? Because our brother Ike Goragu, that guy not the fail at all. He came out and he said Chika Edoziem would not go back again. No. Ike Ga say Chika Edoziem, this one you don't clear your name, so and they beg you no go back again, because before this case hold or before they cancel your name, you don't denounce IPOB. Yes, you don't tell them say IPOB are not there with you now. IPOB pack your load and answer your son name. Now what Chika Edoziem will do. So Ike Garaguna they tell and say Chika Edoziem, this one they don't free you. When they say no wahala again, no go back again. No go back again. No do anything Biafra. He said now Chika Edoziem, you know what to do. Now, Ike Ga don't advise them, because some of them join politics. Yes, some of them join politics to lay their voice out so that they go get key positions for inside politics. From there they will shuffle everything. How you see them? So the bottom line be say to those Biafran people, when they look up, say one thing, nothing they come. Yes, Chika Edoziem he don't step down. He don't remove his hand from anything Biafra. You see all those things when he go stand, he go say, do this, do that. You can never see Chika Edoziem doing it again. So all the people who follow Chika Edoziem, they have to also take the same step. Yes. They have to also, because not be only Chika Edoziem name, a lot of them, they put their names and their picture. So tell me, if Chika Edoziem that you are fighting for, or you are fighting with, surrender, the people that are also in line, their names, their picture, everything is in line with all these things, should do what? Should also try to fight their own rights so that they go get freedom. Because my brother, my sister, if you not do it, nobody go do it for you. I just give you a very good advice. Say, Chika Edoziem now when you they follow, he don't tell you now say he not do again. So those people that still believe in Chika Edoziem, that still follow, or if your name did that list, you better go carry lawyer. Then you also say you not be IPOB member again, they remove your name. Yes, that is the only thing that you are going to do for yourself, because the people you are looking up to, Chika Edoziem don't clean the name. Everybody go clean their name, come out. So that is why when Ike Ga sent that message, he is advising people that are following Mazi the Kanu that those people, they should come. Atisi na Joko. I am telling you, I thought nobody would even listen to them. I surprised that Chika Edoziem stand up, and today we hear say they don't cancel your name. We hear say it's a free man. We hear say they did. What about Mazi the Kanu? Why is it that this Chika Edoziem judgment did not link to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Una no say no barrister Jofona there in that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu issue again, but this thing is not really clear because this Chika Edoziem case now evidence of freedom for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because now in Chika Edoziem they assist, now be second in command. So why is it that the second in command not found guilty and the number one man Mazi Nnamdi Kanu found guilty? Three things they do notice for this matter when it's not clear. So they have to check a lot of things in the aspect of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because if Chika Edoziem now is free like this, say don't denounce Biafra is no longer there, because according to a king, that said don't go back again. So when you don't fight this fight, clean you come out, not go back. If you go back, you know what will happen. Yeah, and I believe the king they get the first class information. Yes, so now the thing is, why is it that Chika Edoziem case now did not affect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, like to make the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be more quicker? I don't understand. I don't get them. So what is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still doing in that place? So there are things that are not really clear. That is why I am also calling on those people that follow Chika Edoziem before. Those people that see make sure they put their picture, you better go back and do like Chika Edoziem and also surrender and forget, because we don't. I told the people, I say the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in that place is because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu refused to denounce Biafra. Yeah, that is the truth. Some people go tell me say I tell no, now I tell no, yeah. Is they tell and say in be Biafra, is still telling them in that place. That is why if not by now they don't release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But he say he not go leave Biafra like. But Chika Edoziem now, he don't find a way, because a lot of things happen these days. A lot of things are just happening. So Chika Edoziem don't come out and say he not there with on again. That is why I'm calling on people that follow Chika Edoziem. I beg, you still need to go and do the same. Yes, so you need to go and do the same so that people go they know the side when be say this Asian for the come, and they will come know how to navigate. So my beautiful family, the bottom line is Mazi Chika Edoziem now denounce Biafra. So you trust Progress the analyst. I am here to keep you people updated. I'm here to give you all the latest happen, everything that's happening all over the world. I go tell you now as it be. So thank you so much, and do well to share this video, please. Let this video go viral. Second in command to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't step down. They don't release, I don't free, I don't cancel your name. What is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still doing there? This is the question that I and you go to ask ourselves now. That is why I said maybe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu refused to surrender the Biafra. No, say even for court, he talk him. He say to protest or to agitate now in rights. More things they happen. Share this video. Now I will come again in another great style again. Thank you, and bye for now.